To enable instant payouts on Stripe, you need to set up a Stripe account and activate the feature. Here's how to do it. Create a Stripe account. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Stripe account on their website. Complete the registration process and provide the required information to verify your identity and business details. Enable instant payouts. Once logged into your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Payouts section. Click on Settings and then Payout Settings. Here, you will find the option to enable instant payouts. Verify bank account. To receive instant payouts, you need to have a verified bank account linked to your Stripe account. If you haven't already done so, add your bank account details and complete the verification process. Set payout schedule. Choose the frequency at which you want to receive instant payouts. You can opt for daily, weekly or monthly payouts depending on your preference and business needs. Review and confirm. Review the payout settings and confirm your selection to enable instant payouts on Stripe. Receive funds. Once instant payouts are enabled, funds from your Stripe sales will be transferred to your linked bank account almost immediately, providing faster access to your revenue.